everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am Kimmy from Kimmy at Sparkle and I am an independent consultant for Close to My Heart. Today I thought I would share a layout with you from the new Aurora collection. But first I thought I'd show you the paper. So this is one of the papers. It's a nice peacock. And if you flip it over, we have some sage on this one, very nice. And then we have this one, which kind of looks like a lot of little arrows, and we have some lovely clouds on the back of that one. And then this page here is my absolute favourite. So I'll show you this side first. It looks like constellations and things, but this side is the side that I absolutely love. Oh, look at that. Aurora Borealis. So pretty. Alright, so that's the paper that I'm going to be using today. And I'll also bring in the sticker sheet. And I already have used some of the stickers on here to do a different layout, but I'll be using some of them today as well. And we also have some acrylic shapes. So I'll share some of those with you. So you've got the word escape. And we've got a lovely caravan and lots of different little shapes, some stars, a heart, it's like a camping thing, a camera, all sorts of stuff, a tree. So I'll be using some of those today as well. And the other I wanted to show you was, this is the scrapbooking stamp and thin cuts. So we've got lots of different things on there. There's a tree, you know, the outdoor thing. You can also use some of these on a card if you wanted to. They would work perfectly on a card. Alright, so let's get started. Okay, so this is the layout that we're going to do today. It's project 2. It's a 2-page layout. So I thought that this would be great. I'll be putting photos of my son's scouting on these pages, but you can use them for if you go outside on maybe a hike or you go camping. It's very, you know, there's lots of different things that you can use this for. Okay, I'm just going to bring in and do all the cutting. I'll probably fast forward this bit to make it a little bit quicker for you guys. Alright, so let's get started. So firstly I'm just going to cut off the zip strip. All our papers come with a zip strip, and on one side is some patterns, and you can use that on your pages or on cards, and on the other side it tells you what colours are featured in this paper pack. So I've done all my cutting for that. Let's take that away, we don't need that anymore. Alright, now let's bring it in and do the first page together. Okay, so here I'm using sage as my base page, and what we're going to do is I'm going to splatter the page with sapphire ink. So we'll grab the ink in. Now with our ink pads, they're magnetic, okay? But what you want to do is just squeeze in the middle there, just to get a little bit of the ink onto the lid. And this is where the magic happens. Bring in your brush, just add, oh you can't see. Bring in your brush, just put a little bit of water on there, so it makes it a bit all watery. And then splatter. If you have a look, my page is nice and splattered. Okay, we'll just leave that a minute to dry. Okay, when it's dry enough, we're going to attach this one. This is that lovely peacock pattern paper. I'm going to pop it down in the middle, so I'll just grab in our Tombow. The reason I use this is because well, one, it's very sticky, and two, you don't need a lot, and three, it's acid free, so it'll last a long time on your pages. Alright, and we'll just line it up. That's what our Versamat is great for. You can pop it in, line it up, make sure you're getting your pages all nice and square and straight. So it's coming in 1 inch all around. Alright, there we go. Now we're going to attach our place holders and just line them up so that they're, I eyeball it. You can use a ruler if you want to, but I tend to eyeball it. Okay, and this one. And the last bit, this one. Alright, so that's it. And now we can put some embellishments on. I've actually decided not to use the stamp today in these ones. I'm actually just going to use the sticker sheet. The little feet here. Now they go, so I'm going to stick it about there. Okay, now with the big title that we've got here, I'm actually going to use foam tape for that. And I'll show you how I'm going to do that. So let's peel it off and lay it down, and we'll bring it in foam tape. I'm actually going to use these little leftovers from a shaker card that I made. Now that you've got that, I'm going to put it there, but I'm not going to take off all of these little bits because otherwise I'm not going to be able to get it up. So I'm just going to take it off these two here and stick it in the middle, and then when I'm ready to put my photos down, then I can remove all the rest of them. So I'll just stick that in the middle there. I could probably take, oh no, I'll just leave it like it is. There we go, because then it'll be easy. Once I put my photos on, I can remove these, put my photos on, then peel that up, take all those off and stick it down. Alright, and now we're just going to add our couple of little acrylic triangles there. Let's grab a couple out. Okay, so I just put it on there like that. So you can use this, or you can use dots if you want to. I find this not too bad to use. It doesn't come up. Oop. Okay, there we go. So that is our first layout done. Okay, let's do our second layer, shall we? Okay, again, I'm using Sage. Now, with our cardstock, you do have a light side and a dark side. I've actually chosen to use the darker side today. You can use the lighter side if you want to. Bring in our little splatters again. Probably enough. Okay, so now we're going to start assembling. So here we got the bottom one. And I'm just going up 3/4 of an inch from the bottom, lining it up by the end and popping it down. And then we'll bring in this piece. Bit of tape on there. Make sure it's done up the right way. And just line it up. Pop it down. And then we've got our zip strip, which we'll put at the top here. Alright, then I've got my 2 fire mats. I will put it down. So we'll try and eyeball it in the middle here. There. Put the next one down. This one's a little bit off centre, a little bit there. So we'll put that there. We'll bring in our journaling strips. Our liquid glass. It's good for little things like this. So I will use that too. So we'll place our first one down. Photo holders. We've got a 3x3 here, and this one is 5x7. Okay, now we'll bring in our sticker sheet. And I'm going to use this one. Now again, I might actually use foam tape on this one because it's going over our picture there. Removing this one. These two are not removed until after I put the photo on. So we'll pop it about there. So see, I can lift it up and we can still stick our photo on afterwards. Okay, now we've got this one. So that is our 2 layouts. I'll just turn this one around to show you properly. That's our layouts done. Quick, easy, simple, done. You've used some speckles up here to add a little bit of texture to the page, and you've got your journaling here. So thank you so much for watching and subscribing, and I'll see you in my next video.